Have you ever wondered how millions of geese and ducks, a valuable source of meat and feathers, are raised and processed on Russian farms? Today, we journeyed through the intricate world of waterfowl farming in Russia, unraveling the remarkable process from the hatching of tiny ducklings and goslings to the mature birds ready for harvest. We'll delve into the heart of this essential agricultural practice, exploring the meticulous care bestowed upon these birds, from providing nutritious feed to ensuring optimal living conditions. We'll witness the efficient harvesting techniques that gather the mature birds, followed by the careful processing that transforms them into delicious meat and valuable feathers. This transformation, a testament to human ingenuity, ensures a steady supply of these products, contributing to the nation's food security and economy. Before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to receive the next fascinating videos from the world of farming from all farmers. In the 19th and early 20th centuries, ducks and geese were some of the most popular types of livestock, found on more than half of all farms across Russia. While chicken, eggs, and meat dominate markets globally, in Russia, geese and duck products have carved out a significant niche. This is particularly true in regions such as Moscow and southern Russia, where their high nutritional value is highly appreciated. The journey of a duck or goose egg begins with selective breeding to ensure the quality of the flock. Farmers choose high-quality parent stock to produce healthy and productive offspring. Among ducks, the khaki Campbell breed stands out for its prolific egg-laying ability, producing up to 300 eggs per year. For geese, the Chinese goose is a popular choice, known for laying 50 to 60 eggs annually. Russian farmers often rely on specialized hatcheries to manage the delicate hatching process. These facilities provide optimal conditions to ensure high hatching success rates. Annually, about 20 million hatching eggs are produced in these controlled environments. Fertilized eggs are placed in incubators where temperature and humidity are meticulously managed. A key step in this process is candling, where a bright light is shone through each egg to check for embryo development. Only viable eggs, usually about 90% of the total, are kept, while non-viable ones are discarded. The incubation period varies by species. For duck eggs, it lasts about 28 days, while goose eggs require around 32 days. Once the eggs hatch, the young birds, ducklings and goslings, are vaccinated to protect them from diseases. They are then moved to brooding facilities where the temperature is maintained at around 30 to 32 degrees Celsius. As the birds grow, the temperature is gradually lowered to help them adapt to natural conditions. During this phase, farmers feed the birds high-protein starter feeds to ensure rapid growth. Ducklings are also introduced to water early on, often through shallow pools, to help them adapt to their aquatic nature. After a few weeks, the young birds are transferred to larger barns or pastures, where they are given sufficient space to thrive. Ducks are housed at a density of about 6 birds per square meter, while geese enjoy more room with about 4 birds per square meter. Despite being raised on large farms, these birds are relatively easy to manage, requiring only 1 or 2 people to tend to them. Ducks and geese are hardy animals that adapt well to various environmental conditions. However, they thrive best when provided access to clean water and opportunities to forage for a natural diet. These birds have hearty appetites, consuming 1 to 2 pounds of food daily and eagerly anticipating feeding time. During the night or in adverse weather, they are sheltered in secure enclosures to protect them from predators and harsh conditions. Maintaining the health of the flock is critical. regular veterinary checkups and vaccinations, particularly for avian influenza, are implemented to prevent diseases. Ducks generally reach sexual maturity at around 5 to 6 months of age, while geese take slightly longer, maturing at about 9 to 10 months. To encourage egg-laying, farmers provide nesting areas lined with clean straw or mesh materials. This setup ensures that the eggs are laid in designated, clean areas, making collection easier and more hygienic. Duck eggs are typically laid daily, while geese lay eggs less frequently, often producing one every 1 to 2 days during their laying season. Once collected, the eggs are cleaned using dry methods, such as brushing or specialized equipment, to preserve the natural protective cuticle. Eggs intended for the market or further processing are sorted and graded by size, weight, and quality. Methods such as traditional candling or automated scanning equipment are used for this purpose. Table eggs undergo additional processing, including passing through ultrasonic systems to detect shell cracks and disinfecting with ultraviolet light. The eggs are then dried thoroughly to prevent bacterial growth before being packaged. Packaging is done carefully, with eggs placed in cartons or trays labeled with information such as type, size, and production date. Packaged eggs are stored under cool conditions, typically at temperatures between 10 to 15 degrees C, with controlled humidity to maintain their freshness until they are shipped to markets or consumers. This detailed and carefully managed process ensures that duck and goose eggs maintain their high nutritional quality and meet the demands of the market while preserving the traditional practices that have sustained Russian farms for generations. To cater to bakeries and the food industry, eggs are often processed into liquid form. The journey begins with a thorough cleaning process. Each egg is carefully washed to remove dirt, feathers, and potential contaminants, ensuring the highest level of hygiene. After cleaning, the eggs are mechanically broken and their contents are separated. Depending on the requirements of the final product, the eggs are processed as whole liquid eggs, egg whites, or yolks. The sight of this automated process can be quite satisfying to watch. Next, the liquid eggs are filtered to remove shell fragments and impurities. The filtered liquid is then homogenized to ensure consistency and pasteurized at a temperature of around 65 degrees C to eliminate harmful bacteria. Once pasteurized, the liquid eggs are packaged in containers under sterile conditions to maintain their quality and safety during transport and storage. In the realm of meat production, attention shifts to duck and goose breeds known for their large size, rapid growth rates, and high-quality meat. For geese, the Kalori breed, a Russian favorite, stands out, with an average weight of 17 pounds per bird. Among ducks, the Pekin duck is widely chosen, reaching a market weight of approximately 5 to 7 pounds. To ensure genetic diversity and maximize fertility rates, large-scale farms often employ artificial insemination. This method achieves fertility rates of up to 95%, ensuring efficient breeding. As the birds grow, their diet transitions to grower and finisher feeds. These feeds are rich in proteins and carbohydrates, designed to promote muscle development and prepare the birds for market readiness. Many Russian farms adopt free-range systems, providing ducks and geese with access to rivers and open pastures. This natural approach not only promotes the health of the birds, but also enhances the quality of their meat. On one large farm, for instance, 300 ducks and 400 geese are raised in this free-range environment, allowing them to forage and move freely. When ducks and geese reach their desired market weight, typically between 8 and 12 weeks for ducks and 10 to 14 weeks for geese, they are prepared for slaughter. In 2023, the value of duck and goose meat production in Russia reached an impressive $174 million, One processing plant alone handles 18,000 birds in a single batch, completing the entire process from slaughter to packaging in just 3 hours. The birds are transported to the slaughterhouse in specially designed crates that minimize heat stress and injuries. Upon arrival, they are humanely stunned using controlled gas or electrical water baths to render them unconscious. Following this, the birds are bled, and their bodies are scalded in hot water at approximately 55 degrees Celsius. This step loosens the feathers, which are then removed mechanically. Once the feathers are plucked, the birds are eviscerated using automated machinery to avoid contamination. This factory can eviscerate up to 6,000 ducks per hour, demonstrating the scale and efficiency of the operation. After evisceration, the carcasses are thoroughly cleaned to remove any remaining feathers, blood, or contaminants. The cleaned carcasses are rapidly chilled using cold water baths or air chilling systems to prevent bacterial growth. After cooling, the birds are further processed into various cuts of meat. While some ducks and geese are sold whole, either fresh or frozen, others are portioned into specific cuts such as breasts, thighs, drumsticks, and wings. This particular processing plant produces an astounding 55.1 million pounds of duck meat annually. For export, certain products are deboned and used in processed items like sausages. Vacuum sealing is a common method for packaging, as it extends the shelf life of both fresh and processed meat products by several months. Labels on the packaging include important details such as the type of meat, weight, and expiration date. In 2022, Russia exported 41.2 million pounds of duck meat and 25.3 million pounds of goose meat. These products are in high demand in Europe, Asia, and the Middle East, underscoring Russia's growing prominence in the global poultry market. Ensuring a continuous cold chain from farm to retailer is critical to maintaining the quality and safety of these exports. Russia's duck and goose industry showcases a meticulous approach to poultry farming and processing. From selective breeding and free-range rearing to high-tech processing and packaging, the industry places a strong emphasis on quality and sustainability. This dedication not only meets the demands of domestic consumers, but also strengthens Russia's position as a key player in the international poultry market. The journey of these birds, from farm to table, highlights the integration of tradition, innovation, and a commitment to excellence. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.